Work smarter, not harder. When raising tints with stakes, look no further than the 3200X series contractor-grade post driver and the PGP6000 post stake puller. They're the ultimate duo for driving tint stakes, ground rods, or any other job close to the ground, allowing you to complete the task with ease and comfort. The 3200X is the larger of our new X-Series commercial drivers, powered by the Honda GX35 engine. It's been re-engineered to be expandable with an assortment of handle kits, like the top throttle. Drive high to low without sacrificing time or comfort, switching to either throttle thanks to the dual junction box. Multiple throttle options allow you to have maximum stability. The barrel is stronger, made of heat-treated hardened steel, with a screw-on cap to secure an assortment of adapters, like our tint stake adapter, an industrial-grade aluminum sleeve specifically designed for driving tint stakes close to the ground that installs fast, easy, and secure. When the party's over, roll out the Titan post-stake puller and make short work of the short work. The PGP6000 is a 100% self-contained powerhouse, containing the larger Honda GX50 engine with heavy-duty clutch and high-torque gearbox, giving 6,000 pounds pulling power, rolling along on never-flat tires. The base is forged steel, and it comes with 4 steel jaws to pull rod, post, or pipe up to 3.5 inches. Install the forked tint stake adapter and you can pull tint stakes at ground level. Both tools share the new ergonomic throttle design, trigger throttle, and auto reset kill switch as the rest of Titan's X-Series, making it more comfortable than ever to use for long periods of time. And with the new auto reset button, you're always ready to fire your driver right back up again. With the Titan 32X series with top throttle and the PGP6000 post-stake puller, no matter how low the job goes, you can stand tall. Work smarter, not harder. That's Titan.